Welcome to a Systems for Dentists training video. My name is Graham, and in this session we'll look at how to create a non-tooth specific treatment item. To start with, we'll move to the tooth in the top left hand corner and choose the option for Setup. Then from the product selection, we'll select Items. As we want to create a new item, we will select New. We then fill in the item's code, its description, and if we want to, we can place it into a category. As this is going to be non-tooth specific, it is important we choose the type as course. This means that the only pricing option will be each. If we want to, we can add a custom screen to go with this. However, in this case we do not need one, so we'll move to add it to a scheme. From the Schemes tab, we then choose the private option from our drop-down. Then, from the drop-down menu to the right of the Dates section, we choose to add. We will start this from today, though it is possible to backdate this item, and we will leave the end date open. With the item created, we will set its price. In our case, it'll be £50. We will save this item and move to our test patient, from which we will open a new course of private treatment. Now, if we open up our list of codes, we will find our example item there. By double-clicking it, it is added to the patient's course of treatment for the preset cost of £50. Thank you for watching. For more FAQs and videos, please see our website. For any other questions or support requests, don't hesitate to call.